moto ni real zaidi. Don't make me destroy it.
Yeah, kind of armored car. This is called armored car. Armored vehicle. I see you can pass and you car around.
If we ever book around with mother, they got no. Ever too small control here.
Are you put here now?
No. The batteries will have so that is why the wires are going to supposed to be. What are supposed to be called Mama to look at the battery?
Is there another place?
She's able to put it in.